Hello everybody. I'm going to make sunflower butter for the first time. So I put into the blender, it looks like just exactly 2 cups of raw hulled sunflower seeds. So no salt, nothing, just raw. And I'm going to make some sunflower butter in the Oster Versa blender. So for this I'm going to have the tamper ready. And I'm just going to put it onto manual. Okay, I'm just going to stop this and probably scrape the sides to make sure there's nothing sticking in here. So just give me a moment. And you can just take a spatula and do that. So it's getting thicker at the bottom now. I don't know, probably using dry roasted might be simpler for this, but I'm just going to keep going. Things I did here is I put it to a lower speed and it seems like it's having, it's like more slowly mixing things up from the bottom. So it's finally getting there. And I'll just keep going. Okay, this is the consistency at this point. It's hard to see. I mean, it's softened up. It's a bit thick. And I'm going to add some coconut oil to this to see if I can get it smoother. I mean, I think I can if I keep doing this, but since coconut oil is healthy for you, I'm going to add a little bit to that, and let's see how that works. To start with, I'm putting this, maybe about a tablespoon. I'm going to add that in there. And I'll continue blending on a lower speed. Okay, this is the consistency I have it at now. And I'm going to leave it at that because I want to use this in a recipe. If you want it smoother, process more. But my feeling is the dry roasted will probably break down into an oily sunflower butter better. Okay, so there you go. It's doable. And if you want it to be smoother, just keep going. It does seem to be taking, this at least been 5-7 minutes. Not constant blending, but I've taken off the cap and scraped the sides and stuff. So in any case, here you go. This is the result that I'm settling for. A little bit, not chunky, just not, you know, infinitely smooth, but it's still pretty smooth. Alright, thanks for watching.